Hey guys, in this video, I will be teaching you another method which will help us make money online easily. So we don't have to do affiliate marketing, you don't need a social media following, you don't need a website. And of course, you don't need prior skills or experience for this. I recently discovered this website and I figured I should share this with you. Because that's what we do here on Mr. Mac Money. We help each other grow. So whatever I find online or whatever I discover, I share it with you. As always, I will be walking you through all the steps. So I don't want you to skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on important details. Okay? But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now, let's get back to the video. The website which I will be teaching you today is a website where you can earn money every day for your opinion and time. I believe that some of you may have already heard about this website. Creative jobs work online. Earn online. If you have few hours a day which you can spend in front of your PC and execute small, time-bound, and highly painful tasks, then you are at the right place. They recruit and hire flexible people who thrive on change and challenge, who are innovative and self-confident, and who seek immediate responsibility. They will pay you for your time. If you are free to join, yes, they also are free. What I love and what we love about this website is that this is available worldwide. Now, you might think that this website is suspicious, or maybe some of you don't trust this website. Well, I want you to scroll down a bit and then you'll see these 3 people who come from 3 parts of the world who have been using this website and who have been earning money with this. This lady right here is from the Philippines. This one is from the United States. And this guy right here is from Australia. These guys are proof that this is available worldwide and that this website is legit. This website also has benefits, which are work from home anywhere, any place, anytime. If you want to become location independent and work from anywhere in the world, or perhaps you just want the flexibility to work for yourself, then this is portal for you. Earn money as much as you want without investment. This website is one of the few places where you can start with $0 and work your way up to a full-time income. Alright, so now that we know about that information, let me explain how this works. We're going to make money not by completing surveys or by watching videos or by clicking on ads. This website does pay a decent amount of money. In this website, you can earn money by doing market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching. This website is called cjinc.info. You can do all of this, but in this video, we will be focusing on one thing, which is proofreading. To those of you who are oblivious, proofreading means carefully checking for errors in a text before it's published or shared. It is the very last stage of the writing process, when you fix minor spelling and punctuation mistakes, typos, formatting issues, and inconsistencies. So it does require you to have knowledge in English. However, you don't need to worry because I will show you a tool which will help you do this easily. This tool will help you correct the errors without you actually doing it yourself. What's great about this is that this is absolutely free. So, in this video, I will copy an article online and purposely make grammatical errors or mistakes so that we can check if the tool that I will be showing you really works. Make sure you stay with me until the end. I don't want you to miss on important details, so please be patient. With that said, if you have other skills to cover the categories like market research, typing jobs, translation, advertising, and online teaching, you can do that. You can absolutely do anything you want. Utilize your skills and knowledge so that you can earn more money. If you want to focus on other categories, then you should do that if you want to. So for example, for the typing job, you just need to have fast typing speed and nothing else. If you happen to know 2 or more languages, then of course you can do the translation job. Working as a translator is even better. All these other categories can even pay you big time. But in this video, Again, I will be focusing on proofreading. Before we proceed to the next step, if you guys are enjoying this video, then don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you comment down below your thoughts and opinions about this video. Right now, let's go back. Okay, so now let's start with the first step of being a proofreader. Of course, we have to sign up on this website to get started. To do that, hover your mouse over career on the top right hand corner of your screen. And then of course, we're going to pick proofreading job, since that's what we're after. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page where they will be showing you what proofreading is about. I have actually discussed this in the first part of the video, but let me read it again for you. What is proofreading? This term comes from the proofs, the final trial print, used to make corrections before the final printing. So the proofreader combs through the work looking for any glitches. In proofreading, work includes spaces, punctuation, spelling, alignment, type, font, and style, and other details. Below, you'll find the nature of the job and, more importantly, the rates. As you can see here, as a proofreader, you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words. Rates depend on the work nature and accuracy level. Since I will be sharing a tool that will help you correct the errors of an article, I know that you will easily make money as a proofreader. So, in order to start, all we have to do is scroll down a bit, and I want you to click on this button which says Apply for Jobs. Then you'll land on this page right here where you'll have to download the application form. All you have to do is click on this link right here. You'll then be redirected to this page where you have to fill in some of your basic demographic information. You have to select a job, which is of course proofreading, then just fill out the rest. Here below you can see that they accept PayPal as a payment method. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, then I want you to go to paypal.com and sign up for absolutely free. After all that, you can just tick this box right here if you agree to the terms. Write your signature, which is your name, and then right here, click on submit when you're done. Now, if you go back to the previous page, you can see that they will give you a sample of an article which has multiple errors, so that they'll see if you can actually correct it. This is where the tool I've been telling you comes in. The tool I'm talking about is... Before we continue to the next step, I want you to comment down below which country you come from so that I can make more videos about making money online which will work in your country in the future. That way, I can help you guys. Now, the tool which I'm talking about is Grammarly. This is something that I have been using for a while now. If you're having doubts, I can guarantee you that Grammarly is 100% free and available worldwide. Grammarly is also one of the best tools out there which can help us correct errors in an article. What we need to do is very easy. All we need to do is add Grammarly as an extension to Chrome. So this means that you have to use Chrome as your browser. I want you to go to Grammarly.com and click on this button which says Add to Chrome. It'll take you to this page right here where you have to click on this button once again. Once done, I want you to sign up for free and we can then start using Grammarly on different platforms. You can sign up via Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. From there, they will be asking you several questions like what will you need Grammarly for and what not. After all that, you can then start using Grammarly. Grammarly has a monthly plan where you can purchase the premium package, but it is not necessary. You can absolutely use the free plan. This is enough for you to edit everything. Now let me show you how Grammarly works. Okay, so let me open Google Docs where I have prepared an article with multiple errors. Now let's see how Grammarly corrects this. As you can see right here, not only did it detect every mistake, but they also detected minimal errors like punctuation marks and capitalization. Grammarly also shows you the overall score of your text. You'll see your correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. Grammarly just goes above and beyond just to correct your grammatical errors, and you can do all of this for completely free. The best thing about this is that you don't have to manually correct them. If you click on this one right here, it'll automatically be corrected. So whenever CJ Inc. sends you an article with multiple errors for proofreading, all you have to do is open it on Google Docs and correct it with Grammarly and submit it to them once again. Then you can now earn money with CJ Inc. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.